Alright, I do have the air compressor plumbed up, wired up for a test. Still got to take it all down, and I'm going to paint the platform, but I have a disconnect wired up to the panel over there. Got been holding about 80 pounds. Running. It doesn't take that long to build it up. Does work. That's what that hiss is. If I compare that to what I had here, that is very obnoxious. I think I could live with this one a lot easier. Anyway, I gotta bolt it to the floor and get a few other things to finish up the plumbing. And we're done with the air compressor.